Hey, what is going on, guys? JC Productions here, bringing you my first budget gaming PC build for this channel. Today's budget is going to be $1,000, so it's a really good gaming PC. This gaming PC is gonna be able to max out any game you toss it in at like 1080p, over 60 FPS, so it's gonna be a really enjoyable gaming experience. So let's get right into it with the case. I went with the Salmon C3 Plus wide ATX mid-tower PC case. This PC case is $70, and it's actually a gaming PC case, so it's a really good looking gaming PC case, as you guys saw in the picture. And for $70, it's a really good case. I actually want this to be my future case in the summer, so I'm probably gonna upgrade this like in June or July. So yeah, let me just sneeze real quickly because I'm pretty sick right now. So hold up. Alright guys, I'm back. Sorry. Right now I'm having like a allergy, but I mean I want to keep these videos like in a daily basis, so I mean whatever. So with the motherboard, I went with the BioStar TA970. I actually own this motherboard, so I know what this motherboard is all about. It supports up to 64 gigs of DDR3 RAM, and it actually supports a bunch of speeds. Supports like 1333 megahertz, 1600 megahertz, a bunch of speeds, to be honest. So for $80, this is pretty much one of the best motherboards you can get around this price range on the AM3 Plus platform. Now with the hard drive, I want the Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive running at 7200 RPM. This hard drive is probably one of the best deals Newegg has right now. For 50 bucks, guys, 50 bucks, you're getting a Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive. 1TB is just more than enough. I mean more than enough. Most hard drives right now on Newegg are like 500 gigabytes for about the same price, so you should really get this hard drive if you guys are looking for a hard drive. And this hard drive just fits our gaming PC build like just so good. So for 50 bucks, this is a really good hard drive. Now with the RAM, I went with 8 gigs of Crucial Ballistics DDR3 RAM running at 1600 megahertz. This RAM is $74, and it's really good RAM. It's fast RAM, it's good RAM, and it's just the sweet spot for gaming right now in 2014. 8 gigs is a sweet spot for gaming, and it's more than enough for everything: video rendering, video editing, everything. It's just really good RAM. Now with the power supply, I want a Logitech computer AT7750BK 750 watt power supply. This power supply is $70, guys, and it's a 80+ bronze certified power supply. So for $750, you're getting a 750 watt power supply that's 80+ bronze certified for $70. Amazing deal. So it's a really good power supply, really solid power supply, and this gaming PC is only like 500 watts, so you're gonna have a bunch of upgradability in the future. Now with the CPU, I went with the AMD FX 6300 Visera clocked at 3.5 gigahertz. This CPU is really good. It's 6 cores. It has a speed of 3.5 gigahertz, and I know I could have gotten a better CPU, but I mean the total cost of this gaming PC is gonna be $950. So plus taxes and all, it's gonna be a little bit over $1,000. But if you guys truly want a better CPU like a AMD FX 8120 or 8350 that has 8 cores, you guys can do that. It's gonna be more than like $60. You guys can do that if you want. But here I just provided you guys the 6300, which is a 6-core processor clocked at 3.5 gigahertz. So it's a really good CPU. And with the CPU cooler I'm gonna give you guys, you can overclock this to whatever you guys want. Now with the CPU cooler, I went with the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo. That's a really popular CPU cooler. Pretty much everybody knows this. If you guys are watching this and you do not know this power supply, this CPU cooler. This CPU cooler is pretty much one of the best you guys can get in the market right now. You can just cool a CPU, overclock your CPU, pretty much do whatever you guys want with the CPU cooler. And for $35, it's a really good deal. Now with the GPU, I want the big boy Asus R9 280X. It has 3 gigs of GDDR5 VRAM. So this is PCI Express 3.0, and I know that pretty much all motherboards that are AM3 Plus only support PCI Express 2.0, but this GPU fortunately does support our PCI Express 2.0 motherboard. So you're gonna be good with this GPU, and if you guys want, you can crossfire this with another GPU, another R9 280X, and you're just gonna have an amazing gaming PC if you guys actually crossfire this GPU. But that's pretty much it, guys. The total cost of this gaming PC comes up to $950. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, And now I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.